Shalom, and here is the next step of the Korach versus Moshe and Aaron story. And that is really Korach Bedato versus Aaron in the test. Remember, they said they were going to take a test of putting incense into the fire pans, the machatot. And then we're going to see who Hashem accepts. And we're going to see, and I want you to think, as we watch through here, of what you expect the winner of this test to experience. What would be the difference between the winner, whoever's Hashem chooses, Asher Yivchar Hashem, and whoever he doesn't choose, and who you expect to be involved? Brainstorm that, and just keep that in mind as we go through. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to have the first slide have the English here, and we're going to go try to analyze it, try to find some of these pieces in the pasuk right afterwards. You do that as well as a practice. I want you to really go through this step by step and understand these pieces of Hebrew, kind of really building your skills there. So Vayomer Moshe el Korach ata v'kol adachtcha heyu lifnei Hashem ata v'hem v'Aaron machar. Moshe is speaking to Korach, right? Vayomer Moshe el Korach. Vayomer, he said Moshe to el Korach. El means to Korach. You say ata v'kol adatcha, you and your entire assembly. Remember, the entire assembly was 250 people, plus Datan, v'Aviram, and On. Heyu lifnei Hashem ata v'hem. You should be there. They should be there. V'Aaron, and Aaron should join. Machar. We're going to do this tomorrow. You're going to come tomorrow. So we need to take a look, right? Find that again. Who is speaking to who? Vayomer Moshe el Korach. Ata v'chol adatcha heyu lifnei Hashem ata v'hen v'Aaron machar. So think about the questions of who is Moshe talking to? Who is he saying to come before Hashem? And when are they going to be doing that? You see these words, right? Vayomer Moshe el Korach, to Korach. Ata, obviously you are one of the people. He's speaking to Korach, so Korach is the you. V'chol adatcha, bring your edah, bring your assembly. Hey you should be lifnei Hashem, be before Hashem. Ata, you. V'hem, that's the adatcha. V'Aaron, they should all be there. Machar, tomorrow. So after that happens, they tell them what they should do. What are they going to do when they get there? This is part of the instructions of Moshe. We're going to see that they do it as well. V'chlu ish machtato v'undatem alehem ketoret v'kravtem lifnei Hashem. Look, again, take. You see it over and over again here. Taking. Ish. Machtato, take their pan. Each person, ish is a person. Each one should take their machtat, their fire pan. V'datnam alehem ketoret, you should put ketoret in them. Ve'akravtem lifnei Hashem, you should bring it before Hashem like a korban. Bring it before Hashem. Ish machtato, chamishim umeatayim machtot. There should be 250 pans for the edah. V'ata, who's atah here? Right? Remember, Moshe is talking to Korach. So Atah is still Korach. V'Aaron, ish machtato. They will also bring them, right? You, Korach, should bring, Aaron should bring, and the Chamishim Matayim Machtot should each bring. How many are there total then? Right. And then look at this again. Vayomer Moshe el Korach. We saw that previously. And it says Atah v'Aaron. That's going to be Ata is Korach, because we kind of keep it together. So what are they doing? V'chku ish machtato v'natatam alehem ketoret. They're taking their pan and putting inside of it ketoret. Ketoret are incense. So what are they doing? V'yichravtem lifnei Hashem ish machtato. They bring them before Hashem. Lifnei Hashem ish machtato. Each person brings their own pan, kind of individually. giving a lot of opportunities for Asher Yivchar. Who's going to take it? Who's going to Hashem going to choose? 50 u'matayim, 250 of them, machtot, ata, Aaron, ish, machtato. Again, what are they taking? What are they putting in there? How many are there? And who else is coming? So what's the real total? So that was the instruction. Now it's time to do it. Vichu ish machtato. They did take. Remember, yichu means they will take, but with a vav there at the beginning, in the Chumash it becomes they took. It changes to past tense. So vichu ish machtato. Each took their pan. V'yitnu alehem eish. They put fire in it. Meaning that for the incense. V'yasimu alehem ketoret. They placed on them ketoret, incense. V'yamdu petach ohel moed u'Moshe v'Aaron. They stood at the opening of the Ohel Moed. It's as close as they can get into the Mishkan, into the Kodesh area. Not quite the Kodesh Kodashim, but the opening of the Ohel Moed. They all went to the opening. And who's with them? Moshe v'Aaron. Again, what do they take? V'yichu ish machtato. What do they put in it? V'yitnu alehem eish. What do they put on top of the eish? V'yasimu alehem ketoret. Where do they go? V'yamdu petach ohel moed. And who was with them? Moshe v'Aaron. Now, right after they do this, they follow the instructions. They go. Vayakel alehem Korach et kol ha'edah. Vayakel means he gathered, like hakel. Except here we're not gathering for Hashem. Korach is gathering them. Vayakel, you know that Korach is doing it because it's only one person. There's a yud, but no vav. Only one person is doing it. So they're Vayakel alehem Korach. They're doing it. Korach is Vayakel. He's gathering them. Alehem, upon them. Who's them then going to be? That's going to be Moshe and Aaron. It's Kol Ha'edah. Korach and Kol Ha'edah are gathering Alehem on Moshe and Aaron. El Petach Ohel Moed. They gathered to the Ohel Moed. They got there. V'yeyirak kavod Hashem el Kol Ha'edah. The glory of Hashem appeared to the whole assembly. Now, what does that indicate? Does that mean they won? Does that mean they didn't win? We're going to see there's no clear answer to the test right here. What happens next is going to answer for us, the solution, or the whoever won, Asher Yivchar Bo, who's going to be chosen by Hashem. And it's not just going to be about the incense. It's going to be a lot bigger than just that. We're going to see that very shortly in the next psukim.